We're going to start with songs that begin on the downbeat, which is beat 1 of the first measure. We'll begin by doing 2 songs in 2/4 time. The first one is hymn number 303, Keep the Commandments. We're going to do the song all the way through, as there is an excellent opportunity to demonstrate how to direct the fermata in the last line of the song. When your arm travels straight down on beat 1, that is the downbeat. The first beat of every measure is the downbeat, every time for every measure. This is the glue that keeps the accompanist and the singers together. If there is anything a pianist or organist appreciates, it is a chorister with a strong and reliable downbeat. This hymn is a real rouser, so we'll use it to demonstrate a transition between verses where there is no slowing down and no break in the tempo. The bottom line is, it's important to be flexible. You never know what kind of situation will arise, so be prepared to go with the flow. Will everyone please turn to hymn number 22?
Sister Heron, my hymn book doesn't have a page 22.
Well, in that case, you can just sing page 11 twice. If you've ever been caught off guard by having to lead a hymn that surprised you with a strange beginning or that changed time signature in the middle, you'll appreciate this segment, Difficult Songs to Lead. I still remember getting asked to lead Come, Come Ye Saints at a stake girls' camp gathering. Whatever the audience or congregation sees on your face is what they will feel when they sing with you. If you look nervous and uncomfortable, they are going to feel that too. We'll sing this one all the way through so that we have one more chance to demonstrate how to direct a fermata, and because it's a beautiful song that I've always liked. Okay, the hymn that I picked for the opening song in sacrament meeting on Sunday is 213, so let's run that one together, okay?
Okay.
Whenever you're ready.
Oh.
Try again. When you are waving your arms in front of a group of singers in a religious setting, part of the responsibility you bear is maximizing the potential of our hymns to serve as a conduit for the Spirit. Through the Spirit, music has tremendous power to teach, enlighten, comfort, and cheer. An enthusiastic and well-trained chorister can contribute mightily to that process, while a lack of enthusiasm and training has the potential to do just the opposite. So, above and beyond teaching you what you need to know technically to become a capable music director, it is my fondest hope that what you learn in this DVD translates into a loftier goal. Specifically, church meetings that build more testimonies, enlighten more minds, and touch more hearts because of meaningful worship through music. That's why I'm here, to help you make that happen.